So you might be in this weird situation where for some reason inside of Instagram, your recent searches are still showing up even though you've cleared them. Now, this can happen for a few different reasons. The first thing I recommend doing for the most part is just making sure that within Instagram itself, that you're up to date on the most recent application. So you just want to go ahead and make sure and make your way over to your app store. So you can make your way over into your app store just like this. And what you want to do is you want to search up Instagram. So you can go and type in Instagram right here. So you can just type in Instagram. And all you're going to want to do here is go into Instagram and you want to update the application. And for a lot of people, that's probably all you're going to have to do, and that might end up fixing it for you. Now, if you do that and that's still not working, another thing I'd recommend doing is making sure that you clear the suggestions yourself. There can be some times where you went through and actually typed into the suggestions, or you typed in the bar right here and you didn't delete the suggestions that they gave you. Now there's AI suggestions that they're giving you now, which you could be able to just hold down and just basically, kind of remove or something like that. But if not, you can always go through here under your recent searches and you can find that X button right there. All you're going to want to do here is tap onto that X button, and that will allow you to go ahead and basically exit out of that particular search. So once again, you tap into here, and if there's a search at the bottom, it'll go and show up, and you can go ahead and basically delete that search from there as well. If that's still not working, you can try restarting your phone. So hold down the buttons you normally would to restart your device, go ahead and slide the power off, and you want to see if that ends up fixing the problem too. If that's still not working, you may just want to double check and make sure that Instagram isn't actually down. So what you can do is you can make your way over to a website like downdetector.com or is it downrightnow.com. One of these types of websites that basically will show you what's up and what's down. And you can just double check that your particular website isn't actually down. So that pretty much covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.